guys, welcome to Fashion Fairies. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'm really excited about this video which I wanted to do from a long time, so let's see how it goes.
So this is my balcony transformation video. I have a really small balcony attached to my room, which is my favorite portion, and I always wanted to transform it to a better place. So this balcony transformation video is within the budget of 500 bucks. I have also tried to recycle quite a number of stuff which were not in use. The idea behind this transformation was just to have a place to sit and relax while reading books or sipping a cup of coffee or editing or anything. I have transformed my balcony into a very simple garden. Without any further ado, let's get started.
So welcome to my balcony, and this is how it looked. I had a simple plan for the transformation. So let's get to the making.
So firstly, I have added this old table which was not in use. Apart from the regular pots, I wanted to add something new to the balcony, so I tried with the terrarium garden. For this, I recycled an old fish bowl and added a layer of charcoal, soil and pebble stones. The area of the balcony is very small. I didn't want it to be occupied by pots, so I got these small vertical pots which can be easily hung to the wall or glass.
So I got this pot from the local market. It cost just 15 rupees per one. So I thought of painting it. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint. So I'm using the Fevicryl acrylic paint.
I got few plants from the local nursery, which I'm fixing it to the pot. So this is how it looks after placing the plants in the pot. With the help of the double-sided tape, I added this bright red curtain to the plain white door. Since I wanted to keep the garden very simple and relaxing, I opted for the Buddha painting. I added these pebble stones along the pots to enhance the look. So I grabbed this glass container and added the colored pebble stones and the white pebble stone and created a flat lay and placed this beautiful Buddha. It's always good to have green plants around, so I have added these plants in my balcony. Not just the aquarium bowls, you can use any of the glass bowls to create the terrarium garden. You can also add miniature characters to make it look more interesting. I have added this Eiffel Tower here. So I covered this table with an old cloth and added few pillows, which makes it look cozy and more comfortable.
That's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe.